Goddamn, how real is this? I know them whole niggas gon' be feeling this. East Coast nigga, but how trill is this? Still don't bliss, shit, my ignorance is still a bliss.
Goddamn, how real is this? I know them all them niggas gon' be feeling this. East Coast nigga, but I still don't give a shit, my ignorance is still a bliss.
Stone cold love, rose gold slugs. I could afford it, I imported stone cold drugs. Stone cold rolling stone, I'm a stone nigga. Write it on my tombstone, I was known nigga. Don't remember me as a one to be. New Orleans nigga, slash lean sippin' Tennessee nigga. Nah, influenced by Houston, hear it in my music. A trill nigga to the truest, show you how to do this. My all gold grills give her cold chills. Says she got a coke feel, cause I'm so trill. Two dope boys scale, but I sold pills. No bail, put her on her feet, toenails. I'm vampires, I'm blood suckers, I'm thirsty killers. We bout it, we routed, that Percy Miller. No really real, we chill, no scorching chiller. My bounty hunter's a bounty killer, I'm bout my skrilla. Give me the title, then give me the cash. Put it in back and I'm onto the track. Full of my stash, shit in my swag. Niggas is wicked and whack. Like crisscross, her lip gloss. Slip-ons get slipped off, my bitch boss, Crystal. We smoking that thing and we burning the hatch. Puffin' and pads, making it last. Walking my shoes and across in my pad. Game was for grabs, making them trash. Took in the snatching and giving it back.
Fuck the money, fuck the fame, this is real life. An insight to my trill life. Plans.
Goddamn, how real is this? I know the whole world gon' be feeling this. East Coast nigga, but how trill is this? Still don't give a shit, my ignorance is still a bliss. Goddamn.